Pain medications and surgery are not the only answers to knee and hip pain or your back or shoulders constantly bothering you. Incredible advances in medicine are helping your body heal those old injuries.
This is really incredible stuff. Regenerative medicine is the latest tool to repair damaged tissue, even injuries or pain that you've had for years. My hamstring. Here to tell us more is Dr. Joel Cherdak of Denver Regenerative Medicine. Welcome back to the show.
Thank you very much.
We had you on last week and you had such amazing information. But let's start with what regenerative medicine is all about.
So regenerative medicine is a new field in medicine, and it encompasses a wide range and a wide variety of services, but all of these services are geared towards regenerating tissue that your body's lost due to injury or due to age, or healing old injuries, or replacing things in your body that have decreased with time. In our clinic, what we focus on are those therapies which specifically regenerate muscle, ligament, and tendon in joints or outside of joints that have been injured for a while and need to be repaired.
Yeah, and so out of those treatments, I mean, one of the most innovative ones we're talking about today, the stem cell therapy, and this isn't the stem cell, kind of research that people have talked about as being really controversial. This is different stem cell therapy.
Right. When I say stem cells to people, most of them are thinking in their head about the embryonic or controversial stem cells. What we use in our clinic for stem cell therapies is your body's own stem cells. So we take a sample of tissue either from behind your hip or in your abdominal fat, and we use that in order to replace the stem cells or the area that's been damaged, so that you can grow new tissue in the area that we use those stem cells on.
So there's actually a good use for my abdominal fat.
I know, exactly. I'm like, just take it out, do something with it. But it's good that you're using what's already in our body. That's what's so amazing about it. And you also have a very detailed technique to place those stem cells. We were talking about it.
Right. This technology, the original application of it was to use what's called fluoroscopy in order to place the stem cells in the proper area. And what fluoroscopy is, it's constant X-ray. So when you're having this treatment done with fluoroscopy, you're exposed to X-ray radiation for the duration of the treatment. Consistent with our philosophy of delivering safe healthcare in the most safe possible manner, we use ultrasound guidance. So we use the same type of technology that they use in obstetrics to look at a baby in the womb, but now they've advanced that technology so that you can clearly see muscles, you can see all the fibers in the muscles, you can see ligaments, you can see all the soft tissue that you need to be able to see to put those stem cells in the proper area. So our doctors are trained how to use this technology in this manner so that you're not exposed to that radiation over that long period of time.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
So, what kind of timeline are we looking at for seeing results? So you take the stem cells out of your own body and you put them in the place where you're having the pain. How quickly do you see the results?
Right. So we take the stem cell sample, we put it in the centrifuge and spin it down so that we can isolate just that layer of the blood sample that contains the stem cells, and then we place it, as I described, with ultrasound technology on the damaged area. So then it signals your body to go through the healing process again. So that takes about 3 weeks for your body to heal and then start to come back to full recovery. That's when you start to feel some reduction in pain and increase in functionality around 3 weeks. And then about 6 to 8 weeks out is when the full effects of the therapy are felt.
Do you need more than one treatment? Do you need to come back?
With stem cell therapy, usually one treatment is enough for most people. Some people who have had really long-standing injuries or really badly degenerative joints might need more than one therapy. But we'll let the patient know up front at the initial consultation whether we think it's going to take more than just one therapy to get the job done.
That's great. Yeah, and I mean, at that point, does your body just keep kind of going in the right direction, or does it, is there a point where it can, kind of slow down again?
Well, your body will heal that tissue that's been damaged. It probably won't come back to the way it was, when you were a child or when you were a teenager.
Right.
But it gives you new material to work with. It gives you new tissue, new healthy tissue. So it increases your ability to do those things that have been limited because of the damage that you've incurred to the area.
Yeah, and you recommend that everybody come in for that full consultation to decide which treatment is right, because you do offer stem cell, PRP, but you also offer acupuncture and a lot of the traditional things that we see.
Right. Well, I've been talking about stem cells primarily today because that's our most popular therapy right now, but we also offer platelet-rich plasma therapy, which is very effective in treating similar types of injuries. And if those two therapies aren't appropriate, we also have traditional therapies. Physical therapy, acupuncture, massage therapy are all therapies that we offer in the clinic.
Well, thanks for coming on
Thank
today.
you.
Really good stuff. Here are the details of that offer again. Call now to schedule a consultation, and you can receive 25% off treatments now through February. Also receive 0% financing for 14 months for those who qualify. Call them now to schedule that free consultation. It's Denver Regenerative Medicine. Their number is 720-583-1648, and you can also find them online at denverregenerativemedicine.com.
Well, coming up on Colorado's Best, save cash as you cruise the aisles of your favorite stores. We're going to tell you about an incredible program that gets you discounts at thousands of businesses, and it can even help you earn extra cash. And if you've made a promise to say I do, you'll want to stick around. See why so many Colorado brides are choosing this Denver